In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a document on Docusign. Whether you're new to Docusign or just need a quick refresher, this guide is here to help you streamline your document management process with ease. Let's dive into the steps to get you up and running quickly on the platform. First, we need to access Docusign. Head over to your preferred web browser and type in the Docusign website, or you can simply click on the link provided if you're accessing this video through an interactive platform. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, make sure you're logged in using your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account, pause the video, create one, and then come back here to follow along. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. This is where the magic happens. From here, locate the Get Started section. It's usually prominently displayed to get you on your way to seamless document workflow. Click on Start to begin the process of uploading your document. This action will guide you through the initial steps of preparing your documents for electronic signatures. Next, we arrive at the crucial part: uploading your document. You'll see an Upload button that allows you to bring documents from your computer to the Docusign platform. Clicking this button will prompt a File Explorer window from your computer. Here's a quick tip. Ensure the document you wish to upload is readily accessible, like on your desktop or in a frequently used folder, to make this process faster and more convenient. Once your File Explorer window is open, navigate through your folders to locate the specific file you intend to upload. Highlight the file and double-click on it, or select it and hit Open. This will initiate the upload process, transferring the document from your desktop to the secure Docusign environment. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the document, this process may take a few moments, so patience is key. After the upload is complete, your document will be displayed on the Docusign interface, ready for further actions like setting up recipients and signature placeholders. You're now well on your way to sending your first electronically signed document. Remember, with Docusign, you're not just uploading files. You're stepping into a streamlined digital solution that enhances efficiency and reduces the time spent on traditional methods. And there you have it. A simple and intuitive way to get your important documents uploaded onto Docusign. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident in managing your documents digitally. Be sure to subscribe and check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Docusign to its fullest potential. Until next time, happy